Hey y'all, how you doing today? Dana here, and look who's in the kitchen with me. Who is this?
Alexander.
Alexander's in the kitchen with me today. He's home for the holidays, and we're gonna make a family favorite. What are we making?
Cornbread.
We're making cornbread. This is my family's favorite cornbread, and you can find it on page 136, Our Favorite Cornbread, of my book, Happiness is Homemade, y'all. You can find this on Amazon, and it will come to you as an ebook or as a printed book like this. Come right to your house. Anyway, all my family recipes are in here, and they're tried and true. So today, Alex and I are going to make some cornbread. So you ready?
Yes.
Okay, first thing we got to do is prepare our pans. Now, Alex, we need a good cast iron skillet. So I've got one right here. And I heard through the grapevine that you like corn sticks. Do you like corn sticks?
Yes.
And that's what this pan is. Do you see it?
Yep.
It looks like corn sticks.
But it looks like hot dogs too.
It looks like hot dogs too. Okay. So what we got to do is get these ready. Now we've already cranked up the oven to 475. And now I've got to put the Crisco in it. And I always do an extra
can I
step.
spray it?
Yes, you can. Let me spray and then I'll let you spray. Okay, you spray.
Where?
Just in the middle. Okay, that's good. Now we got to spray this.
I can spray that.
Yeah, spray from afar. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, hold it way back here and spray it. You spray it and I'll move the pan. Keep going. Good job. You did good.
Okay.
Up there, up there, up there. Okay, now let loose. All right, now I'm gonna finish it. And what we're gonna do is...
And then I can do that.
Well, I don't think we're gonna need this one. We're gonna put it aside in case we need it later.
Yeah.
But y'all look, I'm about to tell you a secret on making good cornbread. You wanna hear it?
Yes.
You gotta get your Crisco in here and you gotta heat up your pan. So when you pour the batter in, it starts crisping up the batter right away. And we need 3 tablespoons. And y'all, I've been cooking a long time, so this is 3 tablespoons right there. Right?
Yep.
Okay.
No, it's 2. 1, 2.
It's 3. Now I'm gonna put a little bit in each one of these because I want that to be fried too. Now I'm gonna let you get busy in just a minute, but I gotta get this in the hot oven, okay, Alex? Now you know what? I think that I have a present for the people in your class that you might want to take back with them to your school.
Okay.
Do you want to show them what it is while I put this in there?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. This is my Dana and Uncle David.
And that's a recipe card, right?
It's a recipe card, so you all get one. I'll get one too.
Do you want to say hello to your class? Tell your teacher hello.
Hi, Miss Webster.
Hey, we're down here making cornbread. Let's show them what you're bringing back to class. I know. Give me one and I'll put it up there so they can see it. Very good. Y'all see that? And this is my sweet potato casserole. This is a Southern staple down here. So when you get this, you'll be able to eat like us Southerners do. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Now we got to remember that's in the oven, right? So it doesn't get too hot. Let's go ahead and get started making this cornbread.
Yep.
I'm going to pull you over a little. You hang on to Aunt Dana. Can you hang on to me a minute?
Okay.
Okay. I need you right in the middle.
Okay.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do, Alex, is add some cornmeal. We need 3/4 of a cup, but I heard that you might want to taste of the cornmeal.
Yes.
So I'm going to get a little bit right here and let you taste of it. What do you think?
Salty.
It's salty.
And good.
It's salty and good.
It has a little pepper in it too.
Okay, a little pepper in it too. Actually, this is self-rising cornmeal, and that's the reason he said it tasted salty, right? So I need you to put 3/4 of a cup in there.
What, all of it?
All of it. Okay, good job. You like the way it smells? Oh, you like the way it tastes. Okay, now we got to add some flour. This is self-rising flour, and I heard you might want a taste of it, right? There you go. Alex likes the taste of everything we cook. So we're tasting.
Good, but it doesn't taste like anything. It tastes like pizza dough.
It tastes like pizza dough. Okay. Now I need you to add 1/4 of a cup of self-rising flour.
Let me guess, all of it.
All of it, correct. Mix your flour and mix your cornmeal together. Okay, very good. I'll pour in the buttermilk. You pour in the buttermilk, and then I'm going to tell you.
Wait.
Right in the middle.
All of it?
Yes. Okay, we got that done. And now we're gonna need an egg.
Oh, I'm gonna get the egg.
Well, actually, before we do the egg, let's do my secret ingredient. And
okay,
you know what that is?
What?
It's a tablespoon of white vinegar. So you hold that over there and
Is
I'll
it good
pour it
vinegar?
in. Now, I don't need you to taste of this. It's very, very sour. Hold it still and let me pour it in there. Okay, 1 tablespoon. Pour it in.
All of it?
All of it.
I need the egg.
I know you gotta crack it. Do you want to crack this egg?
Yes.
You want me to talk you through it?
No.
Okay, you gotta hit it hard. You got it? Now remember, you put your thumbs in it and you pull it apart.
Okay.
Pull it apart. Put both your thumbs in the hole. Now pull it open. Open it. There you go! Look at you! That was really good. Let me get you something to wipe your hands with. Very good. Very good. Now we just have to add one more thing.
Okay.
Well, 2 more things. We got to add the egg and then the Crisco. So pour your egg in there and start stirring. And I'll go check on our Crisco and see if it's melting. Okay, can you start stirring with that?
Okay.
Okay, you get stirring. Hold on to the bowl with one hand.
Okay.
Can stir. Very good.
Let's do it, everybody. It's almost ready.
Keep stirring. Let me pull this out. I got to get something so I don't burn my hand.
It's an oven mitt.
It's an oven mitt. Oops. All right.
Oh, look.
Okay, this is almost melted all the
Look
way.
what I got.
Oh, you're doing good. Keep stirring. Now look, this is very, very hot, and so Alex, don't touch the pan. But you see I'm swirling this around because we want, as soon as that contacts this, it's gonna start frying up the exterior part of that cornbread. You're gonna have some really good crust. But I need to pour this in there, so can you? You can back it back up so I don't want you to be burned. There you go. So your mama will have to do that part. Okay? You stir, baby boy, and let me get the rest of it. Don't touch the pan.
Chicken tastes good.
Okay. This will be the corn sticks shortly.
Dana,
Oh, don't touch this either. Yes?
can I tell you something?
Oh, yes, please do.
This is the famous cornbread.
This is the famous cornbread right here. Let me put my glasses on and we'll see how that is. Oh, you're doing great. Let me grab a hold of that spoon and stir just a minute. And we are going to scrape the sides. You see when I scrape it, what happens?
I know how I look.
Yeah, you keep scraping all of it and then stir a little bit more. Great, now scrape on that side. Alex, you're doing so good. And you're only how old?
5.
5 years old? You're doing great. All right, let Aunt Dana get in there a minute and then we'll be ready to pour this up.
There's some.
You can. Okay. Now I'm going to put some in there and then I'm going to let you put it in there. Is that okay?
Okay.
All right. Let me get this poured up and we'll go ahead and put this in. Good old cornbread. Yum. Okay.
Okay.
There you go. Pour that in one of them. Very good.
Don't worry.
Don't worry. We'll get it. Okay. Put it right in the middle like this. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to give you another one to put right in the middle. There you go. Go down to the next one. Right in the middle, baby boy. It'll spread out. When it gets in there and it gets hot, it'll spread out. Good job. Next.
3 more.
Yes. Can you do 3 more?
Yes. I can do this all day.
You can do that all day. It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, more on this.
We'll fix it. I have tricks.
Oh,
Well, I didn't put that in the oven. While you're doing that, let me put this in the oven. Get that going.
Tell me another one. Okay, I got all that with 2 scoops.
Okay, we need a little bit more. Fill those up. Here we are. We got it in there. Look how good this looks.
How's that?
It's good. All right, I gotta pop it in the oven. About 10 to 15 minutes.
Did it. Ooh.
Okay, it's going in the oven. Look at there. It'll be really good corn sticks very soon. See you soon. Right. We love a good corn stick. Here we go. Now don't touch this. This is hot. You gotta not wiggle, okay?
Yeah.
Here they are, the corn sticks coming out.
Corn sticks.
Here's a plate for us to put them on. And I'm gonna flip them out so you don't do anything right now, okay? This is really, really hot.
Oh, flip them out.
Okay,
There's
some of
lots
them,
of-
I got 2 that didn't come out, but I want you to look at these, hold the plate up and let them see that. See those beautiful corn sticks?
See, these are for your stomach, not for your drink.
They're for your stomach, right? These out.
I put it right here so they can still see them.
Okay, thank you. You put this up here because it's very
Look
hot. Look at our corn sticks. I'm going to show y'all these. These are beautiful.
Can I show one?
Yeah, look at that.
And look on this side.
See
and
those
this side.
corn sticks?
See, on this side it's a little rusty, but on this side it's not rusty.
It's not rusty at all. But anyway, this is supposed to look like a stick of corn. And now what we've got to do is taste it. Pick the one that you want to taste.
I want this one.
Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Is it too hot? Let's hold it a minute and let it cool off. Is yours cooling off any?
Kind of what?
Oh, yours is going to be good. Yours is hotter than mine. How come?
I don't know, because I take some.
Are you trying it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it good? Okay, look this way. I'm going to try mine. Look at that. It's crunchy.
Look at this. This is mine, and then that you on that side. And you can see this part. You can see the inside of the cornbread.
I know it. Cornbread's good.
It's supposed to be a stick of cornbread.
It's cornbread.
Cornbread.
Do you like it? Are you going to take this recipe back to Michigan so you can make it with your mama?
That's the stack you gave me.
A good snack, huh? Well, we're going to eat our snack. The big one will come out in just a few minutes, right?
For my mom.
All right.
Look how much we ate, guys. Nothing.
We don't know what happened. We were waiting on the cornbread to get ready, and what happened with our corn sticks?
Something would happen.
We-
So,
We ate them all, didn't we?
yeah.
We ate all the corn sticks. Were they good? Oh, he's got one little bite left. While he's doing that, I'm going to go pull the cornbread out. And it's brown around the edges, and it's browning on top, and it's done. We got to make sure that it's going to come out. So I'm going to do this, and you can hear that it is. And now I'm going to flip it over. So kind of back up a minute. Y'all ready?
Time out.
Where are you going? I got to flip the cornbread. Oh, he had to cough. Come on back. 1, 2, 3.
Time it in.
Ta-da! Perfect Southern cornbread.
How did you do that?
Every time. It's very hot. Tell him what you told me a while ago about eating cornbread. He said, Aunt Dana, what'd you say?
I'm done.
He's too full to eat any more cornbread. So I'm going to show you this cornbread because we ate all of these. And y'all, usually you let your cornbread sit for a few minutes.
I'm going to cut the knife.
Oh, you want to cut with it? Go ahead.
Remember, I could.
Okay, cut. I'm going to put it there and you push down.
I don't need that.
No, you can't do it all the way that big.
That way?
Yeah. Okay.
It was like a piece of cake.
It is like a piece of cake. And I'm going to show you what it looks like.
Like that. It looks like a piece of party cake.
Perfect Southern cornbread. Soft and fluffy in the middle and crunchy on the outside.
Yep,
And when
crunchy.
we're not so full, we're going to taste of it, right? Tell them what I always say. The good Lord loves you, and we love you too. And y'all go have a good day and make you some Southern cornbread. It's Alex approved, isn't it?
Yep, I made the whole thing with myself.
Yes, he did. Bye, y'all.